just want to give a big shout out to everyone who is losing weight with Thinnergy. Keep up the great work, guys. You are all doing so awesome. Now, ways that I continue to stay healthy and be in shape is by always giving myself a minimum of 30 minutes each day to stay active. Whether it's just going up the stairs instead of using an elevator, whether it's going to the gym or doing something fun like ice skating, which I love to do, I always try to stay active. And I know sometimes it can be hard to keep yourself motivated to do that, but the ways that I keep motivated is by thinking to myself that if I am physically healthy, it also improves my mental health majorly. And also, fun ways that I stay motivated is by doing different types of exercises, whether it's taking a Zumba class or a spin class. Also, joining your family and friends with you is a great way to keep yourself encouraged to stay healthy. So have fun, everyone, and good luck!